If it's possible to own a word, Volvo owns the word safety. It's who we are, built into our DNA, constantly striving for the best. Our dedication to innovations which elevate safety in and around our trucks has led to our class-leading proprietary active safety platform. The all-new Volvo VNL has more standard safety features than ever before and a range of additional premium options that redefine what safety is. Here are just a few highlights of this best-in-class safety platform that helps drivers to see, stop, and stay focused on the road. Bottom line, our proprietary active safety platform in this new VNL acts on our promise of being the industry leader in safety. A promise we keep with every mile driven, every load carried, and every journey taken. Simply put, safety is one of our core values and a top priority since day one.